hatiin natin kung anong, tikman natin kung anong lasa. Ayan. Ayan, umuusok pa. Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My today's vlog is all about I have to make again a new recipe. It's something like a cake. So these are all the ingredients. This is all-purpose flour, and this is corn flour, and this is coffee, 2 tablespoons of coffee like this. This is from Germany, product of Germany. 2 teaspoons, and I diluted with water. And this is vanilla. You can use also vanilla powder. So I don't have vanilla powder, so I use this powder. And cooking oil, 1/4 cup of cooking oil. And this is baking powder, and this is crushed walnuts. And this is half teaspoon of yeast diluted with warm water, lukewarm water. And this is powder sugar, white sugar, and 1 egg. So, and this is 2 teaspoons of butter. So let's start now to make my own recipe today. Now I have this 1 egg and butter, and then we add 1 cup of powder sugar. This is I grind it. Now we have to mix it. We have to mix it until this butter will be melted. So now we can add now this coffee here. And then mix again. Now we can add now this oil, cooking oil. I will not put all this cooking oil. And then this corn flour. This is only 2 tablespoons of corn flour. And then this is baking powder. And this is yeast. And drops of vanilla. And now we can add now this all-purpose flour. I will add 2 cups. Like this. So now we have to mix well. So I think I will add more half cup of flour. Ito nagamit ko lahat yung isang tipon dito na flour. Siguro mga ano ito, mga 3 cups, more than 3 cups. So ito na yon. So ang gawin natin dito ay masahiin natin. Ito yung extra flour na gamitin natin. So start na natin itong masahiin. Ganyan muna natin. ito na yung dough. Ayan. So, next gawin natin dito ay maglagay tayo ng ano dito, harina. And then, gawin natin dito ay hatiin natin. And then, so ito na lahat na bilog-bilog ko na. Ang gawin ko dito ay ilagay ko dito. Ayan, very old na itong itong tray na ito. So need na talaga na napalitan. Ito may butas kaya nilagyan ko ng ng arena. So ilagay ko na dito. Pwede din kayo gumamit ng tray na hindi ganito. So dito ko na lang ilagay, mas okay siguro. Ayan, dito na natin ilagay, ganyan. Ayan. Now we can put now these walnuts as toppings. You can use also almonds or peanuts. So I have available walnuts, so I use this one. Now we have to do like this. Pull. Ayan. Ito ready to bake na sa aking unique oven. Kaya hintayin nyo na lang ang finished product nitong aking recipe ngayon. So ito na yung aking unique oven na preheat ko na ito. Mainit na itong buhangin. Ayan, mainit na kaya ilagay ko na ito. Ayan, yung apoy niya ay katamtaman lang para hindi masunog. Ilagay ko na dito sa loob. Ayan. Ito na yung aking new recipe today na ginawa na coffee cake. Ayan.